Just remove the web here. In this short video, I want to show you a quick little website that I found to help you to get up in the morning. That's helping me no end whatsoever. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser, doesn't matter which one it is, and type this address in qqclock.com. And if you've got there's a wake me up app, and then there's got the time, and then the sound. Just day mode at the moment, if you want to change it to night mode, day mode, night mode, or similar. And these are the different sounds. So I'll go through them all. Wintry sound, that one. Then you've got alien invasion. Go through the next one. Cockerel. Then classic rock. Classic clutch. Electronic. Heavy metal guitar. And then we've got the back that one, so really, yeah, so you can change it to day mode and night mode. And if it's which one that stays there, that's the one you change it back to. Say night mode to day mode there. So we change it to, you can set the alarm when you want it. So I'm going to do this for basically now to make sure that it works. And we've set the alarm. Now we just wait 10 seconds for it to do it. And then you've got two options here. Stop, and you can see for 10 more minutes. I'm going to stop it. But that's how you can easily set your alarm clock online to wake up in the morning, no problem. So I hope you found that video helpful and useful. If you did, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know of any videos that you want me to create, and I'll do my best to create them. And I post new videos every Wednesday. So if I get 10 likes for this video, I'll cancel it. Great, that's enough.